recently started an entire new skincare routine. I ordered a whole bunch of skincare from Korea. So I thought that I would show you guys everything I've started to use, and then in a month or two, I will update you to give you my thoughts on it because I just started using it all this week. But I thought I'd go through all the products, show you what I got, tell you what they're for, and then we can follow up in a month or two. I ordered everything off of a website called yesstyle.com. They do deliver to Canada, the US. I'm not sure what other countries they deliver to as well, but their prices were amazing. I ordered a bunch of things. I ordered all the products that you're gonna see today, plus a hair product and a makeup product, and everything cost me just over $150 Canadian, so that is an amazing price for how much I got. The first thing I'm going to use is this cleansing balm. This is the It Zero, and I use this for removing my makeup. So I just take a little bit of it out using the back of my nail. And it just rubs in super nice. I rub it into my eyelashes. I wear tubing mascara, so it comes off in little pieces. Then I just rinse with water and wipe it off with a cloth. I leave my face a little damp. I don't need to completely dry it. Because next we're going in with another cleanser. So the first cleanser was just to remove the makeup, and then now we are using the Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil. I love this cleansing oil because not only does it clean my skin, but it hydrates at the same time. It feels so nice, and smells so nice, and my skin immediately after using this stuff just feels so good. I have never been a big skincare person. I should be, but I've also been blessed with pretty nice skin my whole life, so it's not been a huge concern after I got over my teenage acne. But I am closing in on 40. It is time to take care of my skin so that my skin doesn't start to look old. Just gonna rinse this again. Cleanse. So our skin is nice and clean, for sure. I really don't think 2 years ago when I first started making YouTube content, I could have made a video like this, because being on camera with a bright light in my face, no filter and no makeup would have terrified me, but I am here for it now. We are doing this together. Next we are doing toner. I am doing, I don't know how to say it, I don't know, this one. It is black rice toner. So I just drip a little bit of that onto a cotton pad and put that all over my face. What toner does is it just helps to calm the skin and prep it for best absorption of all the other products that you are going to be putting on your skin, all the serums and whatnot. So toner is great post-cleanser, pre-serums and treatments. I really don't know how to say it. Haru, I don't know. Terrible at trying to pronounce things. So after toner, I use these BHA, PHA, Miracle, clear pads. I don't know how to say the words. Again, I'm not gonna try to pronounce words that I can't pronounce. But these are little pads. I'm not gonna do it tonight because I did it last night. I do these every other night. They're just little pads soaked in a solution. It is an exfoliator, which is why you don't want to use it every single day. It's a gentle exfoliator, and it also helps with acne. So normally I would put that on after my toner, before the rest of my products, but I skip it every other day just so that I don't overwhelm my skin. Next we have this Cos De BAHA TN Serum. So it's got Tranexamic Acid Niacinamide, I always have a hard time with that word too, and hyaluronic acid. What this serum is for hyperpigmentation, and it helps to reduce any oiliness in your skin. The hyperpigmentation in my skin is not super visible this time of year. When I'm in the sun in the summer, it's more noticeable. You can see it a bit. I get it on my forehead. I can't remember the clinical term for it, but this is supposed to help reduce that significantly. So let's see if it works. Then I just pat that all into my skin. Need just a little bit more. And it's supposed to help control excessive oiliness. I'm not super oily, but I can get a bit oily. So I definitely used to be more oily when I was young. As I have aged, my skin has gotten a bit drier. So after the serum has dried down, I use this Madagascar Centella Ampoule. So an ampoule is for hydrating, calming any redness in the skin, and just helping the skin to regenerate and repair. So I just do a few drops of that. It's super lightweight. It feels amazing in your skin. Just rubbing everything in super gently, rubbing, patting. You don't want to be too aggressive with any of these things. The last thing I put on after the ampoule is my moisturizer. So the moisturizer that I got is the Advanced Snail 92. It is a snail mucin. I don't know what snail mucin is. Apparently it comes from snails. It sounds disgusting. And this stuff, I mean, it feels like it comes from snails. It's like slime. It's sticky, but it feels amazing on your skin. It's supposed to be intensely hydrating and just super good for fine lines, etc. So I'm giving it a try, and I have to say, at first, when it first dries, your face feels a little sticky, but after a few minutes, it absorbs and your skin just feels super, super hydrated. So I am liking it. I did also put it under my makeup this morning. Worked great. My skin looked amazing with my makeup on, so despite the fact that it sounds disgusting, I am giving it a try. So that's it. That's all the products that I use at night. So in the morning, what I do is if I feel like my face needs to be washed, I will use the cleansing oil again. I don't use this every day, just if my face feels like it needs a good cleanse, but I go to sleep with a clean face, so I don't have to do that every morning. Then either if I've used my cleanser or not, the next thing I do, or the first thing I would do if I didn't use the cleanser, is I do tone my face. And again, that's just gonna help my face to absorb the moisturizers and whatnot that I'm gonna put on after. After the toner in the morning, I will put on the BAHA serum again. Then I will moisturize with my Snail mucin. And then I do a layer of the Madagascar Centella SPF. This is an SPF 50. It is a water-based sunscreen. I love it. No white cast on the face. Skin looks amazing with it on. Works super, super well under your makeup. You should always have an SPF. Obviously, I don't do this at night. I just do this in the morning. And then I go ahead and do my makeup routine after that. So those are the Korean skincare products I have bought. I mean, look at like how glassy and like bouncy my skin gets. And I've only used these for like 3 days. So I'm really excited in a few months to see how all of this works out. I will let you know. We will check back. I hope you have found this interesting. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. How I picked my products was I just kind of went through the website and picked out products that sounded like they were things that I needed, and then I went into ChatGPT and asked it to help me pick the best products from a list that I gave it based on my skin's needs, etc. And ChatGPT was very helpful in helping me create this skincare routine. So that's also interesting, having an AI generated skincare routine. So we will see how this all works out. So hit that notification bell so you don't miss that video. Subscribe if you are watching this video and you haven't already become a subscriber, because you don't want to miss the check back to see how amazing my skin looks. And hopefully it will work on this little bit of acne that I've been getting since I stopped taking birth control. So we'll see. Thank you so much for watching today. I am going to go to bed now, so good night, and I will see you next time. Bye.